Yeah, hi everybody. It's Jerry in Campton, New Hampshire again. Today is the 18th of January, about 12 noon. We're in the middle of another big snowstorm that is predicted most of the day, and possibly some sleet and rain later in the day. Right now it's covering the ground pretty fast, and we have to be careful of accidents because I understand that out in 993 there's been a fair amount of those taking place. Uh, so if you're coming up to Campton, New Hampshire today, or anywhere in the state south of here, you got to be very careful of the driving. So everybody drive safe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.